Hello everyone, it's my favorite time of year. Thanksgiving's over and now it's time to put up my Christmas tree. I got this tree about 18 years ago. My mama bought it for me at my first house. But as you can see, the lights aren't working. They're all plugged in, but some of the circuits aren't working. And I started going through and seeing if the light was burned out, but it's impossible because the lights are integrated into this artificial tree. So it's not like you can take it apart. They're all wound together. It's impossible to tell what circuit goes with what light. So I looked on the internet and I got this wonderful tool, the Lightkeeper Pro. I actually already used it outside with a couple lights that weren't working out there. So I know it works and it's amazing because I was pulling my hair out wondering if there was a light burned out or what was happening. What this is this little circuit. You just take a bulb out, insert the socket into the Lightkeeper Pro, pull the trigger a couple times, one usually does it, and it repairs the shunt. I'm not sure what a shunt is, but it's the circuit. So something happens with the lights, it gets disconnected somehow, it's not transmitting, this repairs that. It's amazing. Let me show you how it works. So find one of the light strands that is burned out and take any bulb, doesn't matter which one, but pull the flap and just pull the bulb out of the socket. And then we're ready to insert the Lightkeeper Pro and try to repair the circuit. So take your Lightkeeper Pro, and there's that hole right here where the socket fits in right into that fitting in the Lightkeeper Pro. So take your socket and insert it inside the Lightkeeper Pro. It goes in one way. You see that the straight edge of the light should match the flat edge of the Lightkeeper Pro. That's how you know it's in there. Make sure it's in there real good and then just hit the switch. See the lights turned on? It repaired the shunt in one click. This thing is amazing. So I took my Lightkeeper Pro out. It turned off. You see the lights went on just when I inserted the device. See, off, on. So it's already repaired. It's actually incredible. There it is again, all the lights on. Pull it out, it's off. So let's put the bulb back and it should be fixed. So I just take the bulb that I took out previously, insert it back in, and see, all the lights came right back on. It's absolutely amazing. It repairs the shunt somehow. I take it off, it's out. Stick it back in, it's on. Yay, they're working. So now that you've seen how it works, I'm going to just finish the rest of the tree and get it all working again. Well, I got almost all the circuits working again. I'm so excited. A couple still aren't working. I can't figure out why, but the Lightkeeper Pro has a couple other features I'm going to try and see if I can get those going as well. But much better. As you saw, over half the lights weren't working, but I repaired the circuits with this little tool. So I thought I'd share it with you so maybe it could save your holiday lights. And I hope you have a wonderful Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year with your friends and family.